Do you want to know how you can log into your Yono SBI mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Yono SBI mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or its browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Yono SBI mutual fund login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. If you click on the second link, it will take you to this page where you can see that you have discontinued the web portal and you need to go to the first page. So click on the first link and it will lead you to the official login portal of Yono SBI Mutual Fund. You can log in using your password, OTP or your Google account. To log in using your password, go ahead and write down your user ID, your password. Make sure to check the password by clicking on this I and then click login. This way you can log into your Yono SBI mutual fund account using your password. To log in with OTP, click on it, write down your user ID, click login with OTP. An OTP code will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and copy the OTP code. Write down the OTP code on your screen and then click login with OTP. So now to log in with Google, click sign in with Google. This login portal will open up. Choose your Google account and then click continue, and you can see that you have now logged into your SBI mutual fund account or your Yono SBI mutual fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.